absolutely amazing. Wow. The Cartridge College, the choir out of Mandeville with us this morning. Incredible. Oh, they got the voices up so early. Wow. Welcome, everyone. It is Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Thursday, and it is May 10. What a start. Brilliant start. We hope we'll hear more from them, and we'll have a chat, hopefully, with the principal later on. We welcome our friends on onespotmedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on television, Jamaica.com. Great to have you with us. Great start. Going to be a great show, as always. And I have a great co-host with me. She's so beautiful.
Good
Must
morning.
You that. Bless. Well, go on.
So, look here, ladies. I'm just going to tell him hi collectively. I went to the Heart Foundation of Jamaica's Go Red for Women High Tea yesterday.
Okay.
So from the doorway, apparently you have a lot of girlfriends, because everyone who gave me a message said, tell them girlfriends. So I had to say to one of them, say, you know, no, you want to. I just try to clarify.
No, but you
just say, tell him
fight.
When me tell him, say, and girlfriend, he might go try work out now is which one I want.
Fight. So
I'm delivering the message to you.
You all right?
I'm good.
How was it, by the way?
The high tea, it was good. It was so good. And such a good cause. Tomorrow is actually Wear Red Day.
Tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
So then
yes, Wear Red tomorrow.
I'm going to have a red thing tomorrow. Then.
Yes.
Red is my second favorite color.
What's the first?
Pink.
Pink?
Yeah. Pink is my favorite color.
Well, let me tell you.
I like pink, red, and black.
There's a man, you see, waiting with a shear in his hand. When I see him, say, tell never belly now.
When Brazil.
So when tell never belly now. When World Cup done, you know, I don't want to see the ear for the
I don't know why. You know what? You know, I'm glad you said that, because the plan is if they lose the World Cup right here, I'm going to go bald. But here's the plan now. You see, from the World Cup start, I'm not going to trim, I'm not going to shave. I'm just going to leave it. So, make a big difference if I lose.
So here Marvin a while ago. We don't care. I know Marvin not going to lose him ear, you know?
I look, Brazil make I lose my beard one time.
Oh, Marvin doesn't have any hair.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Brazil make I lose my beard one time. They won't make me lose my hair. And I lost they make me lose my car the last World Cup, but this time it won't happen. This time it won't happen. Anyway, folks, great to have you.
I'll be here with the collected.
Yeah. You saw her memories of the World Cup is when France beat Brazil and Ronaldinho.
No. When France
schooled is what she
said. Brazil in general. Ow! Mama, oh please. You don't find the sports commentary with Oral Tracy when he had the nervous breakdown?
when him said that buff teeth.
Yeah, you don't find it never. You have to find it. It's the funniest moment in television ever.
Yeah. But Brazil not well, so don't worry about it.
No, Tracy had a nervous breakdown.
Yeah, it starts June 14, goes to July 15. It's going to be live here and live on TVJ and live on Hits 92. And by the way, tonight you could see it on the sports. Tonight there's a sports town hall meeting. It starts at 8:30. The sports lounge at 100. This is Iron Sports on the road. And the co-hosts Jermaine Brown and Spencer Darlington. And they're going to have the GFF president. They're going to have Mr. Butler, who's the president of the Phoenix Academy. They're going to have a representative, Nasha from Red Stripe, Ali McNabb, former national center forward and national coach, and now advisor to the Minister of Sport, Rudolph Speed, who was the former CASAFA president and GFF treasurer and head coach at Cavalier and president of Cavalier. Dalton Wint, who is the general secretary of the GFF. Carvel Stewart is the PLCA vice chairman. Roy Simpson and all those. George Forbes will be there also, who is the competitions officer of inter-secondary school. As we said, Nasha Monique Douglas from Red Stripe. She's the senior brand manager of Red Stripe. She's also be there. So tune into that. And maybe you could go there and sit and you could find out from the president what's going on with our football. Should be good. All right, let me tell you what's coming up. We highlight one of our Smile inspirational moms ahead of Mother's Day. Yesterday we had a nice chat with a mother and daughter. Fantastic, and we do it again today. And we have the Cartridge College Choir keeping us entertained all morning. You just saw them and you just heard them. Wonderful start.
Nice. It's World Lupus Day. So we talk about lupus in 10 minutes to your health.
But now it's time for some hot topics, folks.
Yes, right into it. Oh, Lord.
There's a song that said, if it ain't one thing, it's another. 2 men are dead and 6 other nursing injuries in the hospital. This is after a 4-vehicle crash on the Melrose bypass, which takes Porus to Williamsfield and Mandeville. That happened late yesterday, we are told. It's a sand-laden truck flipped and fell on a Toyota minivan carrying passengers as well as a Toyota SUV. A couple of the men died on the spot, unfortunately. We send condolences to their families and friends, obviously. Apparently there was last week a truck laden with molasses overturned on Spur Tree. They blocked traffic for about 12 hours. Wow. And I think the police are saying proven competence and experience should be critical requirements for those driving heavily laden trucks, especially on roadways such as Melrose and Spur Tree.
Yeah. He's encouraging employers to pay special attention to those being asked to drive trucks. Not everybody can drive a truck.
And when it's heavy and stuff and you're coming down the hill, there are things that you need to do.
When we see somebody do something and we say, there was a time when you used to have bus conductor ready. I watch the driver.
Look at that.
And then the next time you go into the bus, you see the doctor sitting in front of the wheel. I'm thinking, watch and know if you drive. It doesn't work that way. Oh my gosh. 2 men are dead, 6 people injured. This is crazy.
What's the next one?
Well, Nico Chromatic, who for a while has been struggling with kidney disease, passed on Tuesday evening. His real name is Nicholas Grant. 3 years. He's been battling with kidney disease. This is like 2011 all over again. This is Kimberly Mays referring to her brother Kajil. I don't know what other plans God has for me. All my plans, including Nico. All my plans, everything is gone. He had plans to go back on the road, to do another rhythm. But what do I do now?
Oh.
Yeah.
Again, condolences to the family and the friends. Denisha Prendergast, the granddaughter of Bob Marley, and our good friend. We've seen her here many times on TV, and her dad is one of my special friends, Peter. So they're in, where was it, California? Southern California. They're rented this house. They come out of the house and the neighbors see them, she and a couple of her friends. The neighbors see them and they call the police and said some strange people are in the neighborhood. The police come and they held on to them for about 22 minutes. Well, it says after 22 minutes in detention, the police confirmed their story and let them go. Denisha apparently is planning.
Well, the neighbor is now claiming that she waved at them, but they failed to respond.
Yeah. Denisha is looking to take legal action against the Rialto Police Department for that incident.
So she says, I wasn't being nosy, I was just being observant.
This is the lady who called the police.
She says race was not a factor in her phone call.
But do you know?
She said the neighborhood had a rash of burglaries over the last few months, and that sparked her suspicion.
Yeah. But do you know that the owner of the house said she agreed with the neighbor who called the police? The person who rented the house to them said she agreed that they call the police. Yeah,
she says strange vehicles, strange people in a suburban neighborhood, and they're not friendly. She called the police, and I don't blame her.
Oh.
And she's saying it's the first guest that she's hosted in the Airbnb. Well, I hope it's the last. Because if you rent somebody your home and you're going to say it was right for the neighbor, she's wrong. Because she should have advised her neighbors that she's renting the Airbnb, but more than likely it's a suburban neighborhood, and she's not supposed to do Airbnb in a suburban neighborhood.
So she must lock up.
Yes, never. So now she'll deflect. Because her neighbor's going to cuss her and say, why are you doing this in the neighborhood? You know what I mean? Boy, I tell you, people are crazy.
Incredible. All right, that's it for the hot topic. Some birthdays. I have some breaking news this morning, by the way.
What's breaking?
We don't have a birthday.
What?
I don't have one.
For real, for real?
For real, for real.
Never take time to mine then.
Because you know, so anybody. So happy birthday, Sharon. Most of our Sharon out there have a birthday today.
All right, Sophia. Mike Christie, Design Mike. It's his birthday today. So happy birthday, sir. taught me how to do web design and graphic design. Changed my life. So thank you very much. Ian Grant, how are you? Happy birthday to you, my love. Megan Murray. It's her birthday as well.
I think I was going to say Megan Markle.
And Thelma Harrison, Terry, and your daughters and your sons say I'm going to tell you belated happy birthday greetings. You are their world, and they want you to just have a wonderful week. So never, I play a close and you don't reach it. I'm going to write about you. I'm going to write about you.
You know, play?
Yeah, I'm going to write about you.
I'll get money for that.
If you're right about you, yeah. No, I'm just not going to use your name. People just going to see it and say, I never, like, no, well, me use Ian Boyne, so then no name.
Somebody said my birthday was yesterday if you need one.
That's hilarious.
This is 1892.
Happy birthday, Aubrey. Happy birthday, Benji. Happy birthday, Ruddy.
1892.
Happy birthday, Zakia.
That's O'Neill. Happy birthday, my friend. I hope you had a great day.
We can't find the wiggle wine.
Why are you
there is it's so good. His real name is Herol, Herol. He goes by the name Donchez. And he entered Britain's Got Talent.
Yeah, she said she's going to try it first.
Yeah, man, with his original song, Wiggle Wine. Not since the Electric Slide have I seen that song ignite so many people.
Me name a dance here, the Wiggle Dance.
Wiggle?
Yeah.
Well, so him say,
better give me a money.
You wiggle and you whine. He got the gold button, which means he's gone straight to the semifinals. Yep. When he was done, Simon Cowley, you can't please him, took the mic up and said to the crowd, I think you've just seen the winner of Britain's Got Talent. What's amazing about him? 60 years old. So he was saying, look, man, if you have a dream and you want to do something, do it. Because, people that tell him, say, you're 60, where you go? You can go. Yeah, man, this Jamaican man came to Jamaica at age 3 from Nottingham, left here at 18, went back to Wolver. Errol family, the Dakers, them. Where did I get the dancer? Zaki, you find it on YouTube. Wiggle and whine and move your body. Come, Zaki, make we take it to the break. Wiggle and whine. Look, man, he had the judges on the stage. Everybody was wiggle and whine, body. Wiggle and whine. Wiggle whine.
Anyway, happy birthday, folks. Have a great day today.